Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best clothing irons that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Black Plus Decker Vitessa Advanced Steam Iron. If you're on a budget, the Black Plus Decker Vitessa is a basic yet reliable pick, featuring a non-stick sole plate. This model offers 6 temperature settings to handle a wide variety of fabrics. Plus, it's equipped with technology that optimizes the amount of steam to release based on the selected setting. And like our top pick overall, this model has a strong continuous steam output for taming harsh wrinkles and can be used vertically as a steamer. Just note that this model is very lightweight, which you might appreciate when carrying it to your ironing board or taking it down from a high shelf. But heavier irons tend to be more effective at smoothing set and wrinkles. Moving on at number 4, we have the Panasonic Cordless Steam/Dry Iron. This clothing iron has something that none others on the list offer: cord-free convenience. Featuring a nickel-coated stainless steel sole plate that's pointed on both ends, this model has a plug-in base for charging, and the base's cord is retractable for easy storage. When it comes time to iron, this pick offers a 360-degree range of motion, which makes it especially useful when ironing quilts and other large pieces of fabric. While the water tank capacity is on the smaller side, as it can only hold 4.7 ounces, the reservoir detaches, so you can bring just that part to refill at the sink. One more nice feature: you can steam vertically with this pick, though it's worth noting that it weighs over 4 pounds, so your arm might get tired if you try to steam all the curtains in your house at once. At number 3, we have the Rowenta Steamforce Pro. While we believe Rowenta's Pro Master Xcel is the clothing iron that's best suited for most people's needs, the brand's high-power Steamforce Pro is worth the upgrade if you take ironing very seriously and are willing to spend a little more. This 1,850-watt model is built for long ironing sessions, thanks to its extra-large water tank and continuous steam output, and it has 5 adjustable presets for specific fabrics and 2 steam levels. And on the top of the iron is a digital screen, which can indicate your setting or notify you when it's time to run the calc cleaning program to remove scale from the steam chamber. The anti-drip technology, too, is a plus, as it keeps water stains off of your clothes and linens. Lastly, don't fear this model's heavier build. It feels balanced in the hand, and the extra weight helps it smooth wrinkles away in no time. At number 2, we have the Nori Press Travel Steam Iron. If you need the ability to iron your clothes while you're on the go, the Nori Press is a compact and lightweight pick you can toss in your weekender bag, or even a tote bag. Similar in design to a hair straightener, this device weighs just over a pound and has settings for polyester, cotton, linen, silk, wool, and denim. What sets this pick apart aside from its portability is its ability to steam or iron both sides of a garment at the same time. Best of all, you don't need to use an ironing board, so you can perfect your wardrobe anywhere that has electricity. Just bear in mind that this model doesn't have the wattage or the weight of standard irons. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rowenta DW8260 Pro Master Xcel Steam Iron. The Rowenta Pro Master is a powerful, versatile iron that delivers professional results. Equipped with a stainless steel sole plate with over 430 holes, it offers fast, top-notch steam distribution and can be used on most fabrics, including rayon and silk. It also has a pointed precision tip, which makes it easy to iron around buttons and collars, as well as a large water tank and an anti-calc system that captures mineral deposits. Just make sure to descale the iron every 2 months or so. One more perk: this iron steam feature works vertically, allowing you to use this lightweight model on curtains and hanging garments. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.